Going on a hike with my trusty, faithful companion, Ranger. I always take my hiking stick with me. Light, firm wood. I can crack it against a big tree or help ford a little stream. And now we've come to one of Ranger's favorite spots. Nice lie-down spot. Good fresh water. There's nothing more satisfying than a walk through the woods to get us away from the mundane and serious aspects of life. Hike on, Ranger. Okay, let's go down here. Hopefully I won't drop the camera. Or me. I am 70. And don't move quite as quickly as I did when once an agile athlete. Be slippery. Remember when we were children and would go into the swimming pool and our parents would say, "Come on out, it's time to get out." And we say, "5 more minutes, please," while our teeth were chattering, blue lips. All wonderful memories, hopefully most of us have. And it's sad for those who don't, or didn't get hugs as children, or who didn't get positive affirmations from their parents and came back to drugged or drunken parents who gave them no attention. But those who overcame that as adults should be receiving great commendations. It shows how much internal fortitude every one of us has if we can only draw upon it. It's up to us as constitutional advocates to teach and to enlighten the nuances of the Constitution for our progeny, regardless of one's view. Should not leave trash. I often carry a separate bag with me. Life is compromise. That's why good auditors will try to communicate with Leos, with law enforcement. Because as we know, only they can make themselves look bad. Video doesn't lie. Whether some auditors are trying to entrap them or not, or egg them on, that's still the responsibility of the Leo who should not be editorializing to make themselves look foolish with their assumptions. Purpose of the press is to make public officials uncomfortable. I'll follow my fearless dog into the thickest of jungles. Now's the time I'm supposed to add the jungle sounds to the video. Somebody's going to be a happy dog and sleep well tonight. I tuck my shoelaces in so they don't catch. I double knot them and then tuck them in so there's less likely to catch upon something and have me stumble, as I don't physically recuperate injuries as fast as I used to. Good boy. Keep going. Thank you all for joining me. I hope this was somewhat relaxing for you, as it is for me. Cathartic. Cleansing of the soul. Bringing us back to our historical roots. Okay, let's move along. Pick up our pace. Yeehaw! And away we go. Go ahead, Range. And the crows or ravens are alerting everyone. There are humans and dogs about. They're encroaching on our territory. Listen to the birds. The call of nature. Alright, Rangers, say goodbye to everyone, all these lovely folks, and freedom lovers. Have a wonderful day, Patriots. Tell everyone you know about the First Amendment movement and cop watchers. It's critical. And pick up your cameras and record the police and public officials whenever you can. And be patient and cordial. But speak your 1A mind when you find it appropriate. But beware of wildings. Like wild dogs that can go from 0 to 60 in moments. Use your common sense. Better to have a retreat than to get locked up. We want you there to fight another day. If you do get arrested, make certain that it's for a good cause. And when you do your auditing, do so as though you're doing it before a judge and jury. Because they'll be looking at your tenor, at your manners. Because they are human, not just jurors and judges. And we don't want to set back the clock of liberty with negative court precedents that only ends up limiting it through our best intentions. I think you all get what I'm saying. Be well, all. See you later. Bye. Hugs. End stream.